I am recording this from Vietnam right now outside my window. It's warm, it's alive, and I have nowhere I need to be. 1 year ago, I was working as a software developer, good salary, stable job, safe life, and I remember sitting at my desk one day thinking, is this really it? Is this what I'm doing for the next 30 years? Today, I run my own business from Southeast Asia, still in tech, but now building my own products. I have traveled through most of the countries in this region. I work on my own schedule and I make more than I did writing code for someone else's dream. But I want to be real with you because most people making these videos don't tell you what actually took to get here. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, what the plan looked like, and what I wish I knew it before I quit. Let's go. First, let's kill the myth. When most people hear digital nomad, they picture someone sipping cocktails on the beach with a laptop that somehow has perfect Wi-Fi. That is not the reality. This is a highlight reel. The real digital nomad life looks like this. You wake up without an alarm, you open your laptop, maybe from a cafe in Vietnam, maybe from a co-work space in Bali, maybe from your own apartment at home, because location freedom doesn't mean you are always traveling. It means you choose. Right now I'm based in Vietnam. It's incredible. The food is unreal. It's a perfect base for exploring Southeast Asia. I'm actually finished up my season here. I have already traveled in most of the countries in this region. And if you are a digital nomad who hasn't been to Southeast Asia, just come. Seriously. It will change how you see this whole lifestyle. But I want to make clear that this is not a travel vlog. I'm not going to show you the beach or pretend the rest just happened. I want to show you the real path. I was working as a software developer. I knew how to build things, apps, systems, products, but I had zero idea how to sell them, market them, and grow them. So before I even thought about quitting, I started learning the skills I was missing. Sales, marketing, email marketing, client management, how to promote my own apps, how to be a solopreneur. So I started creating content on Threads. I built a product around what I was learning, and I started figuring out how to actually sell on social media. And here's the thing I want you to really hear. I did not quit until the plan was already in motion. Running a business is hard. It has ups and downs, and I don't recommend quitting without something already working. I also did something very specific before I left. I pay off all my heavy debts first. I saved a few months of salary as a runway, and I started building side income while still employed. Some people like to burn bridges and go all in with no plan. That's their path. I prefer planning, and I truly believe that approach is the big reason I am here today without burning out. So when did I actually quit? When I hit what I call my magic number. It sounds fancy, but it's actually very simple. Your magic number is the total of all your monthly expenses. Every subscription, rent, food, transport, everything. Add it all up. That number, it's your floor. That's the minimum your online income needs to generate for you to survive without a job. My goal wasn't to get rich overnight. My goal was to make my business consistently hit that number. And once I saw my income growing, I decided to go all in. Not when it was perfect, not when I had 10 times my salary saved. When the trend was clear and the foundation was there, that's the right time. That's when you move. And if you don't know your magic number right now, stop this video, open a spreadsheet and figure it out. That number is the most important number in your entire plan. Running a business is much harder than a 9 to 5. I will be honest about that. There is no one to tell you what to do. There is no salary. Some months are amazing, some months are difficult, but nothing is better than the freedom. And I don't mean freedom in a big abstract sense. I mean the small everyday moments. Booking a flight on a Tuesday afternoon because you feel like it, no permission required. Going to the dentist at 11 a.m. on a Wednesday, no permission required. Deciding to spend a whole season in Vietnam or in Southeast Asia because it's beautiful, no permission required. That feeling, that is what you're building toward. And once you taste it, you never go back. Here's something I wanted to say to anyone who has technical skill, developer, designer, writer, whatever it is, and and thinks that skill alone is enough to build a business. It's not. And I learned this the hard way. I could build a software, I am good at it, but I had no idea how to sell it, how to market, how to get anyone to care. The product was the easy part. The business skills, that's what takes time to learn. So if I had to give you the 4 things to learn before you quit, number 1, learn how to sell. Every online business depends on this, non-negotiable. Number 2, learn digital market. Content, email, social media, you need to know how to be found. 3, learn how to market the skills you already have. You have value, you just need to communicate it to the right people. And 4 is start creating content now. At some point, every small business needs an audience to grow. YouTube, Threads, newsletter, pick one and start. That's exactly why I'm here making this video right now. So let me leave you with this. If you are sitting somewhere right now dreaming about this kind of life, don't quit tomorrow, don't burn everything down. Make a plan, find your magic number, start learning to sell, build something small while you still have your safety net. And when your income is growing and the foundation is there, you go all in, no hesitation. This path is harder than a job. It's also more alive than everything I have done. You don't need permission to design a different life, you just need to start. If this video hit you somewhere, share it with one person who needs to hear it right now. And drop in the comments, what's your magic number? Do you even know yet? I read every comment. Let's talk. And if you want more videos like this, videos that show you how to build a life where you don't need permission to live on your own terms, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing more real stories, real strategies, and real steps to help you design a life that actually feels like yours. See you on the next video. Bye!